Good day, good people. In today's lesson, we want to look at the quotient rule. But before that, welcome to the Math Hub, Mathematics in Start on Ascendi. Saka mlesson ranhasi toda kutarisa quotient rule. But kuti ti-understand the quotient rule, tinofanirwa kuirelata ne-product rule. So we learned the product rule in our yesterday lesson, where we learned that dy dx, which is going to be simply d of uv dx, is going to be equal to, always start with v, saka v du dx plus u dv dx. Iyi tinoishandisa pachi, tinoishandisa kana tichida ku differentiate products. So we are going to have a situation where y is equal to uv. Saka na y is equal to uv, kureva kuti a function u is multiplying a function v. The derivative is going to be given by v du dx plus u dv dx. So this is a recall of the product rule. We did the product rule. In today's lesson, we are looking at the quotient rule. Saka quotient rule is used when we want to differentiate fractions. So let us write it as a note. Let me use yellow for notes today. Saka quotient rule is used when differentiating fractions. And fraction yedu inenge yakaita sei, inenge iri u over v. That's the fraction we are dealing with. So all fractions are broken down using the quotient rule. What does the quotient rule state? The quotient rule states that if y is equal to u over v, then dy dx, which is simply d of u over v dx, inenge iri equal to, always start with v. Saka v panapa inenge v, then du dx. Because division ine kakuwirirana ne subtraction, panapa tichati minus u dv dx, but atichagumiri panapa tuvatati over v squared. Over v squared. This is the quotient rule. I am boxing it because of its relative importance. Iyi ndo inonzi quotient rule, hama dzangu. If y is equal to u over v, du over v of dx is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx, everything over v squared. Kuti to make a sense, let us put in an example. Saka example yedu yakadai so. Let us say y, and let me revert back to white. Y is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 5x over e to the power 3x, like that. Sachekutanga, we notice kuti this is differentiating a fraction. Kureva kuti we use the quotient rule. So I know hangu ndendo zvandaitawo pandaiva form 6, ndaiva so much comfortable with the product rules because sometimes I would convert my fractions into products and use the product rule. Zvinoita, but I advise against it. Ndipamsana pekuti sometimes ukaita mistake pa conversion yacho, it becomes troublesome. Like if we wanted to convert this, for example, into a product, yaifanga kubuda yakati 3x to the power 4 minus 5x iri kumultiply e to the negative 3x. And izvi ndoda kukupai as a task kuti muzame kuapply the product rule muone kuti inobuditsa answer here, but hatisikuda kudai isusu, ngatishandisei quotient rule. Saka quotient rule yedu panapa ichati tinotanga tati let u be equal to 3x to the 4 minus 5x. Take note kuti it's u over v, kureva kuti u ndo inenge iri numerator, v iri denominator. Saka musakanganisa izvi, it's very important. Saka tati let u be equal to 3x to the 4 minus 5x, which is our numerator. Du dx inenge iri du dx inenge iri 4 8 12, saka 12x cubed minus 5, like that. Then todzika toti let v be equal to e to the power 3x. That is what v is going to be equal to. So if we differentiate e to the power 3x, tinowanani. So this warrants a very brief revision of differentiation of exponential functions, where we said if kana kuti when y is equal to e to the power ax, dy dx inenge iri equal to a multiplying the original function e to the ax. Saka a I derivative yekanaka, anditi derivative yaka ndochi ishi. Then kana tatongoona derivative yepower tongoti times the original function, ndo maitiro atinozoita. Saka apo dv dx inenge iri chini, dv dx inenge iri equal to derivative of the power anova 3 times original function e to the 3x, correct? This is equal to 3e to the power 3x, like that. So let me remove this part so that we can progress with our working. So let me also demarcate pano tikondinyeere paside. So taona kuti u ndi 3x to the 4 minus 5x, du dx ndi 12x cubed minus 5. Taona zvakare kuti v ndi e to the 3x, dv dx anenge ari 3e to the 3x. Panapa takungosubstituta muno, saka tinongoya tonyora kuti dy dx iri equal to always start with v, saka v du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. Chakakosha kuziva kuti we always start with v ina way kuti kana tichisubtracta order matters. 3 minus 2 nekuti 2 minus 3 zvakasiyana. Ku product rule manga muchigona kutanga mati u dv dx plus v du dx, because here addition kuna isomorphy zvazvina basa, but always start with v kukurangaridzai kuti v ndiyo mvangotangwa nayo, kuitira kuti kana taku quotient rule we don't make a silly mistake. So substituting, this is equal to v ndiani, v ndi e to the power 3x, but iri kumultiplier du dx, which is 12x cubed minus 5, ndofarwa zvisa muma brackets akadai so, minus ko u ndiani, u I bracket, beside my brackets please, 3x to the 4 minus 5x multiplying dv dx yataona kuti ndiani ndi 3e to the 3x. But asati yapera aperi over v squared, v ndi e to the 3x, which is squared. That is how it's done. Saka na zvadai so much zvinobva zvaita senge taomerwa, asi hatina hama dzangu, hatina kuomerwa. Let me show you why ndichiti hatina kuomerwa. reason yandiri kuti hatina kuomerwa inhau yekuti tinokwanisa factor out something. Let me show you what I mean. So this is equal to, mukatarisa ina numerator munoona kuti e to the power 3x iri common in both boxed brackets. Munomo muna e to the power 3x, umo muna e to the power 3x. Kora kuti tika factor out e to the power 3x, tinosara tina from the first bracket menge muna 12x cubed minus 5, and subtracting muno menge mana na 3 multiplying 3x to the 4 minus 5x. To factor out e to the power 3x, that is what we remain with. But make sure and remember that this is dividing e to the power 3x squared. Says wamakangodzwa ku level kana denominator yedu ine power, just leave it as it is, because e to the 3x ichacheka into the denominator pongosara e to the power 3x. Kureva iko kuti our final answer panapa ingengori equal to 12x cubed minus 5 ma brackets minus munotendero yenyu kuti minus 9x to the 4 minus 15x munotenderwa over e to the power 3x zvapera. So quotient rule kungoziva kuti iyo imbori chi inoshanda papi. Mukaziva kuti u ndiani, therefore motsvaga du dx, v ndiani, therefore motsvaga dv dx, then mozongo substitute mosolve algebraically zvapera. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Otherwise, if you want to join our school, remember WhatsApp us on 071-521-3310. If you are international, that is outside Zimbabwe, you use +26371-521-3310. Thank you for your time and have a blessed one.